I made it down to Rice Tire to get my truck just in time. I'm gonna run in here and pay. Hopefully I get some good referrals on some other places I can take it to get some stuff done. Everybody's so cool, man. Some guys, when they find out about the channel, think it's awesome. They want to see the video. You know, those guys wanted to see the video I make of me covering this, you know, covering their mechanic shop. And not everybody reacts that well. You know, some people are just not into it. But yeah, down here at Rice Tire, they're pretty cool guys. And I'm gonna send the drone up, do a little filming, and they gave me a good referral on how to get this fixed. Yep, nice crack in the windshield. It shouldn't cost all that much. The sucker was just flat glass, so it really shouldn't cost much, I don't think. That's fantastic. I'm riding nice and straight now. I mean, I'm going around a curve right now, so, but he straightened it out for me. Feels good. All that bump steer is gone too. So that's a fantastic thing. Feels really nice. Much better than it was. Bam! In there. Good afternoon, everybody. Okay, well, I may need to get my priorities straight because right now I'm driving around looking for a good place to fly the Mavic. Maybe not the best use of my time. I should probably be working on other things, but I found a construction zone. I flew a little bit a ways up a mountain, pretty much, and there's a little construction area where I think I'll be left alone. So I'm gonna get out the drone and take it for a flight over the top of this mountain, see what it looks like. Yeah, the truck's doing really well. Brakes are nice and smooth. Feels so much better. I've been making it up and down these mountains okay, and it's doing pretty good. So I'm feeling confident that my ride is back together, functioning the right way. So it's ready for a good drive. But yeah, I just got to get all these little basics installed. I just received my water tank in the mail today, so that's great. I'll have a fresh water tank. I may use it for fresh water and I may use it for gray water. I'm not sure which one, but I know if I use it for gray water I won't go back to fresh. So here we go. I'm gonna go fly. Well, if there's anything to be said, is that it's certainly fall right now. I got some cool shots of all the color changing leaves, so this might be a drone heavy episode. You might want to skip to the next episode if you aren't big on drone footage. I love the stuff, but I know it gets boring really quickly. So I try to keep it limited, but it's so dang cool. I don't know, it speaks to the nerd in me. So get ready for a musical montage of drone footage. Well, that went really good. I got some incredible shots, I think. Yeah, what's it worth to anybody? Nothing, but it's worth a lot to me. It's beautiful up here. It's so cool to be here. Where the season's changing, I know, oh, the seasons, the leaves, who gives a crap? But it is nice. I like it. I've never really experienced it. I live in Florida. You know, I haven't gone anywhere. I've been in Florida forever, and I haven't been anywhere in fall, so this is so great to get out in the world and actually just be in it, you know? No cares, no worries, just living along. Virginia's nice. I like it here. It's a nice place. A couple nights ago, it was really cold. I got really frigid in the middle of the night, and it was only in the, like, I don't know, probably 35, something like that range. And it got pretty cold, but I wasn't well prepared at all. I was only wearing a t-shirt at the time with blankets on. So I put a sweater on and I was fine. But it definitely shows I need protection. I need to get my truck up to speed for this winter. The last couple days has been beautiful. I'm definitely boondocking tonight. Find a place with one other truck, go there, I'll be good, I think. So, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I just had a bee flew in through my flew in through my window, and I kind of shooted out my door. And I thought it was gone. I thought it was just passing through. But then I look again, it's back in my van again. So I had to get him out again. So I closed my windows. I locked it down. No bees are getting in here, man. I keep thinking I see other bees now. But I think it was only one. What that means to me is that it's time to move along. Bee-bye. Bee-bye. I just found an amazing spot in an amazing neighborhood. So, I don't know. I mean, I'm not going to fly over anybody's houses or anything, but there's a super flyaway selfie spot right here. I would love to get one of me. That would be great, but I don't know. I may not do it. We'll see. Things are starting to wind down for the day. The sun's about to drop down behind the horizon, and I just feel blessed. I just feel excited about where my life is going. I feel like everything is going to work out exactly the way I want it to. So this has been great so far. It's just the beginning. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching me. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all your cool comments and your likes and your support. I really appreciate you guys. I'm at a very remote location. It's at a shopping center type of place. It doesn't look like it's been used back here, the loading dock, for quite a long time. So let me just show you around a little bit. It looks like it's repurposed. I mean, this isn't used for what it once was. There's a couple loading bays back there, but that's where I'm gonna chill for the rest of the night. There is a couple more employees' cars I can see over there, so they've been clearing out. I'm waiting for all of them to leave, and then I think I'll pretty much have the place by myself. But, you know. Hey man, how you doing? Bye guys. See you on the next episode. Bye bye. Bye bye.